Elgin, St. Thomas, London South.
A worker at a so-called safe injection site in Toronto helped someone literally try to get away with murder. Her sentence was a house arrest sentence with educational programming and daily trips to the gym. Par for the course from these lawless liberals who care more about criminals than victims and think bail should be as easy to get as free drugs. So when will these liberals stop ignoring pleas from Canadians to fix the justice system and clean up the streets?
The Honourable Minister of Justice.
Mr. Speaker, it is beyond reprehensible that a member of this House would accuse another member of caring more about criminals than Canadians. We should be able to work together to certainly punish wrongdoers, but also give law enforcement the tools that they need to keep their community safe. We have been giving tools to law enforcement, so we don't only punish wrongdoers after a crime has been committed, but we prevent it in the first instance. I want to thank the law enforcement officials who've been in the news recently for the various busts that they've been responsible for bringing people to justice. I hope we can work together across partisan lines to advance important reforms to the criminal justice system later this year that will help further protect our communities.
Honourable member for Elgin, St. Thomas, London South.
If the minister doesn't want to be criticized for caring more about criminals than victims, he should look at his own government's record. Mr. Speaker, the Liberals adjourned the Justice Committee meeting yesterday after 16 minutes to start their summer vacation without tabling or discussing a single motion or bill related to justice. Violent crime is up 50%. Opioid overdoses up 200%. Health officials in my riding are warning about carfentanil on the streets of Elgin County. People are dying and those responsible are walking free. When will these Liberals table a crime bill and focus on that instead of their summer break?
The Honourable Minister of Justice.
Mr. Speaker, I don't know if the member's eyes betray him, but we are here and ready to work to advance reforms to protect our community. Yesterday, at the Justice Committee, though the accusation is there was an attempt to get home early for summer, what actually happened was a Conservative member was seeking to advance reforms that would have made it easier for people who've been charged with intimate partner violence to get out on bail. I think that is a bad idea, Mr. Speaker, and I'm willing to stay here and work to protect the victims of intimate partner violence and to advance reforms that will punish wrongdoers. Once again, it is not about caring more about criminals than Canadians, but it seems that member cares more about his social media clicks than he does about advancing